Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen here for Sputnik Entertainment. Happy Friday. And as part of a new series, we're going to be taking a look at different ways for content creators to be able to have contributions submitted by their fans. So a lot of content creators use Patreon, straight on donations, but Coffee is one of those newcomers into the scene. And I've seen some content creators integrate it into their platforms. So that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to take a look at it. We're going to take a look at the website, some of the features. Over the weekend, we're going to start integrating with the Sputnik Entertainment things. And in a couple weeks later, I'm going to give you my final thoughts about it. So their website is ko-fi, but I'm guessing it's pronounced like coffee. That's a play on words. Fund your passions. That is their header of the website. The friendly and free way for fans to support your work for the price of a coffee. Get paid directly with 0% fees from Coffee, and you can claim your Coffee URL right there. So if you have an artist name or if you want to use your name, you can register and grab yourself a URL. Top features loved by creators worldwide. Make an income however suits you without pressure to publish to a schedule. And that's one of the biggest things that separates them as compared to a platform like Patreon. It's either a schedule, a weekly schedule, a monthly schedule, or people contribute per video. But in a way, it pushes creators to constantly keep making content, even though they might feel like they're burning out or they want to take a break. With Coffee, as you kind of release content, you have a free flow of ideas happening. Make an income. Receive donations and messages from people who love what you do. Share your content, share your best work, and let supporters see your creative process. Offer commissions. Let fans buy unique original work just for them. Build memberships. Build a monthly income for most dedicated supporters. And they have some screenshots of how it might look like. So someone has donated $9. Jody just bought you a coffee. I really love your comic. Can't wait to see it in the next chapter. Little support towards the iPad. Keep up the great works. And studio expenses, 70% of your goal. Support us to keep our studio running. So that gives you an idea of what kind of customizations and notifications you can get. And we're going to take a look at the Learn More section in a little bit. How does it work? Claim your page. It takes 60 seconds to personalize your page and showcase your work. Share with fans, tell your fans about your page, and funding goals on all your social profiles. Start earning, receive money and messages of support directly with 0% transaction fees from Coffee. Helping all creators make an income. Join 70,000 creators funding their passions on Coffee. And once again, they're an up-and-comer. I mean, compared to a platform like Patreon, which has a much larger audience. But 700,000 members. It's still a smaller percentage than Patreon, but and they're up and going for sure. And some of the content creators that are part of Coffee Network, what they have to say about it. Coffee contributors helped me build a new office space at home. Stefan Schweitz, having a simple, seamless structure was a huge draw for me. And Ellie Mackin Roberts, it's easy. It's a fantastic way to connect to those who read and watch the content I make. And once again, you can customize your profile by registering your page. So let's learn a little bit more of what it has to offer. So let's jump into the features component of things. The fun and friendly way to receive support. Start your Coffee page in minutes. Make an income doing what you love. 30 million paid to content creators. Wow, that's a good amount of money. Ask nicely. Coffee is the friendly way to ask fans to support your work for the price of a coffee. Coffee is just a metaphor. You don't have to buy an actual coffee. Ask your fans and followers to support you, receive messages of encouragement, and celebrate when you reach your goal. 0% platform fees on your donations. Claim your free page. And I think the main way they're monetizing it is by having the Coffee Gold, which gives you a little bit extra features, which I'll take a look at next. I like the simplicity of the whole supporting process and the commissions features too. If supporters leave a bit for me, it always makes my day. Show your best self, create a portfolio of your work, of your best work, organize into albums and share them with your fans and followers. Write posts and automatically update your followers about your creations. WIP and goals. Let supporters unlock rewards for one-off donations or monthly subscription. You're the boss, no pressure to publish new content to a schedule. So if you wanted to set up as a monthly contribution, you can, or if you want your followers and fans to contribute whenever they want, that's an option as well. Commissions are open. Let your fans commission a unique piece of your work just for them. Create your beautiful commissions menu, choose how many slots, you're offering and set your own terms. Get paid directly upfront. Refund commissions you don't want to take. Build a monthly income. Offer memberships to start making a monthly income from subscribers. Reward subscribers with exclusive content like process videos, tutorials, and your back catalog of work. Anything really. Get paid instantly and directly when a fan subscribes to your page. Claim your page, and once again, they're pushing you to make your own page at Ko-fi. And here are some of the features they have as part of the Ko-fi network. So you have a gallery, show your best work, messages, get paid, goals, posts, rewards, paywall, subscriptions, commissions, WordPress plugin, stream alerts, and profile. I don't want to read what all those mean. You guys can take a look at it yourself by going to ko-fi.com/about. And a lot of them are self-explanatory. But let's take a look at Ko-fi Gold and see what you get for paying a couple bucks directly to Ko-fi. Get more from Ko-fi. Gold pages earn 3.4% more. 3.4x more on average. And that has been sourced from 84,881 pages as of 10/19. We don't take a cut of your tips and we hate ads. Upgrade to make more money from Ko-fi and support Ko-fi development. And here are some of the gold features. Exclusive posts and rewards. Post content that can be unlocked with one-off or monthly donations. Support the community, support Ko-fi development. Get a gold badge and more personal page. Build a monthly income. So the biggest thing is that you get some analytics, some additional features, no ads, some gallery extras, etc., which will cost you $6 a month. But if you have a steady following and you're making more than $6 a month, it's definitely worth it because it will give you a couple extra features. I'm sure your followers and fans would enjoy that. Make a monthly income from subscribers to your Ko-fi page, receive monthly payments, take subscribers in Stripe or PayPal, reward subscribers with exclusive content, sell commissions once again, or you can just pay $4.50 a month, which is a little bit cheaper than $6 if you're doing it as an annual payment. And they have some feedback from gold creators. So once again, 0% fee, even with the free membership level, showcase your work, donations, and goals. And with the gold, you get a couple extra bonuses like integrated analytics, shorter Ko-fi username, change the Ko-fi metaphor, set the price of donations, offer exclusive content, sell your items with a Ko-fi shop, and make a monthly income. So even though the basic free membership is a nice option, you can upgrade it for a couple dollars a month to have some more features. And if you take a look at the Explore tab, the one thing I like is that they're highlighting a lot of their members, part of the community. They have a commissions tab. They have some of the featured content creators, some of the art that has been done, cosplay, and that is really cool. So let's take a look at that, give a couple people a shout out. Let's take a look at the cosplay. And we have a list of wonderful, beautiful women that are in their cosplay outfits. If there are men, we'll definitely highlight some gentlemen as well. But let's take a look at it. Oh, yep, we have some gentlemen coming along our way as well. So we have Sylvanas, done by Lumia Cosplay. And if you can actually click on her, and she has a little description about this outfit, and you can support her right here. And if you click on her username, you're brought into her profile. Lumia or Lamia Cosplay. She has her goal that she's going for, a new cutting set of, and she has a description of why she's trying to raise this money. There's a little bio about her, and the feed of the stuff that she has posted over time. And you can also see the gallery and the post. So it's a nice, clean user interface that allows individuals to share their content, grow their following, and at the same time, hopefully start building a fan base and fan base that are willing to contribute them. So I think Coffee is a great alternative. Once again, if you're a content creator or an up and coming content creator that is starting to get some following and a fan base, and of course, everybody has expenses. A lot of content creators are putting their own time and money into their craft, and hopefully, they can make some of the money back to make it a potential into a full time income for them. So, let me know what you guys think of Coffee. If you want me to explore some additional features, if you have questions of how it works, if you have experience with Coffee, I would love to hear your feedback. And I'm also going to reach out to the Coffee team. I would love to have them for an interview. So if that happens, I would definitely keep you guys updated. And then you guys can submit your own questions that I can bring up with them as well. Anyways, guys, once again, I'm going to make our own Sputnik Entertainment Coffee profile. We're going to start highlighting that starting next week. Play around with it for a couple of weeks and give you guys our final review of it. And then, so if you have any questions, once again, leave them in the comments section of this video, or you can let us know on social as well. And hopefully you guys are going to have a fun and safe weekend while the summer is still around. I stepped outside for a little bit today, and I'm already starting to feel some of the weather transition coming into the effect. So let me know what you guys are doing fun this weekend, or if you're just taking it easy, you can let me know that as well. If you want to stay in touch with me personally on social, you guys know I have a daily vlogging channel, and all the social links are in the description once again. And I'll see you all next week. Peace.